I'm Laura Worth, a horticulturist at Meijer Gardens. Today we're going to be doing a behind-the-scenes tour of the greenhouse areas at the gardens here. As a horticulturist, I'm responsible for the seasonal display area, the greenhouses, the bonsai collection, and the orchid collection mostly. So let's go check out the greenhouses. So this is greenhouse 1. In this greenhouse you'll find our tropical plant collection, so a lot of our larger material that's either unique or a larger specimen that we keep around to use in displays or out in the gardens. Also, some of our horticulturists will overwinter things in here. We have the ant plant collection, which actually has ants living inside of it. We have our interior scape plants, so anything that you'll see in the hallways or in any of the classrooms or any of that, or stage setups, those are all here as well. And then in the far back we have our Amorphophallus collection, which is the corpse flower collection. So if you remember Putrescia, that's part of that collection. So this is greenhouse 2. This is considered our production greenhouse. For butterflies, we start all of our milkweeds in here for the monarchs to eat. The nectar plants that go into the conservatory are also started in here. They come in as plugs and then we grow them larger and then they go into the conservatory. We also do vegetables and that kind of a thing for the farm and the children's garden, and also some of the containers that you'll see in the cafe. Anything that comes in for the seasonal display that we're holding before we do the switchover will be in here temporarily and then be cleared out as we do the switchover. And then the last thing in here is the carnivorous collection, which is maintained by Mandy, another horticulturist, but it's in here with the rest of our stuff. So this is greenhouse 3. This is our orchid collection. We have right around 1,000 orchids in here. Right here you'll see the ones that go out onto the display wall. So anything that's in bloom gets set there and then goes out into the conservatory. We're mainly a display greenhouse here for orchids, not a production greenhouse, so we don't make smaller orchids. We try to create something of a larger specimen to put out in the conservatory. We have them grouped by each type of orchid and the size and light requirements that they need in here. One other thing in greenhouse 3 is our bird cages. So anytime we get in new birds, they come in here first to be acclimated and then are put out into the conservatory. Thank you for coming on our behind the scenes tour of the greenhouses. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comments below this video.